Hello students, you welcome. You know very well that COVID-19 pandemic has forced lakhs of students across the world to sit idle at home. They have passed their previous class examinations, but they are not able to get admitted in the next classes because of this pandemic. Educational institutions are closed, but many renowned institutions, they provide the online crash courses, short duration courses, some of the professional courses, computer courses, or language learning courses also. So the student must apply and must utilize this time to learn something new which may be useful for their future life. To get admitted in any of the institution, we must know about the institution, about the facility provided by the institution, about the course, about the duration of the course, fee, and the staff credentials also. So to write an inquiry letter, we should have some of the information that in our mind to ask from the director or from the people who are responsible for running that institution. Before taking admission in any of the institution, we must know about the institution, their goal, their aim, objective, and the courses offered by them, and the duration, scope, and fee, everything about the course also. So in this video we shall learn about how to write a letter of inquiry. So letter of inquiry is a formal letter, and this letter has 8 parts. Let us discuss one by one. Okay, the first part of a formal letter is a sender's address. Here we shall write our own address. In case you are Rohan or residing at a sector in Noida, so you will write your home address with a number of house number of the house, then your lane and a sector, and then the name of the city. Then date will be mentioned. To mention the date in the formal letter, we do one thing. We give one line space before writing the date and after writing the date, and the proper format of writing the date is there. At first we shall mention the name of the month in this way. We shall mention name of month, then date July 18, then comma 2020. This will be the proper format of writing the date. The third step of writing a formal letter is a receiver's address, to whom we are writing the letter. In case you are writing the letter to the director of the Haltron Computer Center located at New Delhi, cannot place New Delhi, so the proper address should be there with pin code. Next thing, the fourth place will be salutation. Salutation, we address the person to whom we are going to communicate. Respected sir or respected madam, who is handling the chair or who is officiating the chair, this is the person to whom we address. Right. Next is a subject. At number 5, we shall write the subject in the letter. Here in this letter we are learning about how to write the letter for inquiry. So the letter will be developed and the subject will be a letter for inquiry. Okay, next is the most important part of the letter, of the formal letter, is the content or the main body of the letter. This is the most important because everything depends on it, how you write, how you want the information, what is your way, and what is the information that you want to demand through this letter. Okay, next step number 7 is a complimentary clause. Complimentary clause, here you are going to formally close the letter to stop writing, so it should be closed in a formal way by using the words your sincerely, your truly, your obediently, or your. Number 8 part is very important, that is signature, because signature give authenticity to the letter. So these are the 8 parts of writing a formal letter. Now we shall discuss we discussed about the all 8 parts that are used to write a letter. Now let us discuss how to develop the content of the letter or the main body of the letter. The beginning of the letter should be very formal, because you are going to communicate with a person who is not your familiar one. So you should give the due respect. Your sense of expression should be humble and polite. So we shall start in such a way. with due respect and humble submission, I would like to know, or I would like to get the information. Or you may start in this way with the sense of humility. I want to know, or I want to get the information from your esteemed institution about. Or you may start, please provide me the information regarding the short term or short duration courses being offered by your esteemed institution. In the beginning should be there that may impress the reader. It should be looked that you are seriously interested in that course, and the reader will give you the preference and reply you considerably in the very short term of a time. Then after beginning, what to write in the paragraph, next paragraph. At least the formal letter must have 3 paragraphs. In the very first paragraph, you explored what is your intention of writing this letter. You want the information regarding the short term computer courses or any language learning courses. Whatever you want to learn, mention that in the very first opening paragraph of the letter. In para number 2, you may ask the person, give you the information about the duration of the course, about the scope of the course, about the course fees, about the validity of the course, and how many classes will be there, what will be the mode of the classes, offline, online, whatever your question is there, what is your ambiguity, what is your doubt, try to make it very clear by writing this a letter. After asking all these things, after asking all this information, you have to close your letter in a para number 3. And we shall start with para number 3, and the para number 3 will be the concluding paragraph. In this concluding paragraph, we shall expect the early response from the person to whom you are writing the letter. Moreover, you also express your expectancy to get the admission soon in that institution, and you shall assure them that you are interested in that paragraph. It may be finished likewise, that I am seriously interested to join your institution, so please send me the information as soon as it is possible. If you send me the staff credentials or the brochure, if you have prepared anyone, I shall be very much grateful to you. Expecting an early reply. Such type of a complimentary or beginning, ending and a development of the letter should be there. Means 8 parts of the letter. Then beginning of the letter should be humble, formal and full of expectancy. Then development in the para number 2, the details that you want to know from the institution, and in the third paragraph you shall close the paragraph and you shall close the letter, and in the complimentary paragraph you shall ask the details to send to you as soon as possible, and you shall show them the gratitude also if they take any action in favor of you. So in the end we shall close the letter by putting the complimentary clause, yours faithfully, yours lovingly, or yours obediently, or yours truly. Here I want to make it very much sure, when we write yours truly, one thing is there, many of the students they do one mistake, they put here the apostrophe. Never, it should not be there. Here no apostrophe will be used, only YOURS will be there. Apostrophe will not be used at all here. So in this way we shall develop the letter for inquiry. Thank you very much.